Hello everyone, and welcome to the Lifestyle Skills channel, where we learn simple, natural, and healthy ways to care for ourselves every day. Thank you for joining us. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential skincare items, lip balm, and we'll be showing you how to make your own natural lip balm right at home, using just a few simple ingredients. Our lip balm recipe is made with 3 key natural ingredients: olive oil, shea butter, and beeswax. Each of these plays a special role. Olive oil deeply nourishes and softens your lips, locking in moisture. Shea butter adds creaminess and natural vitamins that help repair and protect dry or chapped lips. And beeswax, the heart of this recipe, helps the balm solidify, while forming a gentle protective layer that keeps your lips smooth and hydrated all day. To make your lip balm, simply melt these 3 ingredients together on low heat, stirring gently until everything blends smoothly. Once the mixture has melted completely, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Now for a lovely touch, optional essential oils. You can add about 5 drops each of lavender, rosemary, or eucalyptus essential oil. These not only add a beautiful natural aroma, they also bring gentle healing and soothing properties for your lips. If you'd like a scented balm, always use pure essential oils instead of synthetic fragrances. They're safer, more natural, and free from harmful chemicals. Once your mixture is ready, pour it into clean lip balm containers or small tins and let it cool completely. In just a few minutes, you'll have your own smooth, nourishing, and chemical-free lip balm, made right at home. Now, why make your own lip balm instead of buying one from the store? Most commercial lip balms and skincare products contain synthetic chemicals, preservatives, and even petroleum-based ingredients that can harm your health over time. Some have been linked to hormonal imbalances, skin irritation, and even toxins that may contribute to cancer when used regularly. By making your own skincare products, you take control of what goes on your skin, avoiding harmful substances and embracing the healing power of nature. So go ahead and try it. It's simple, affordable, and truly rewarding. Your lips will thank you, and you'll enjoy the satisfaction of creating something pure and natural, made by you. Thank you for watching the Lifestyle Skills channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tutorials from Jay's Natural Skincare Products. Stay natural, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.